Let's journey through Yanko Design Shop's latest offerings. First is an all-in-one outdoor grill, a culinary Swiss Army knife for outdoor enthusiasts. Next, transform your AirPods into a fashion statement with a woven necklace, ensuring style meets convenience. Then explore time zones with a roll of our minimalist 12-sided world clock, a masterpiece of design simplicity. Dive into the seamless transition from cooking to dining with JIU, the iron frying plate that doubles as your dish. And finally, light up your romantic evenings with a modern rendition of Japan's iconic Chuchin lanterns, blending tradition with serene beauty. These products are excellent gifts for that special person in your life, so let's take a look. If your sweetheart has a passion for both the great outdoors and culinary adventures, then this all-in-one outdoor grill is the perfect Valentine's Day gift. This versatile grill offers a whole new level of outdoor cooking with modular parts that cater to every style. Be it barbecuing, frying, grilling, steaming, or smoking. But that's not all. This grill even includes a unique module for warming bottles upright, making it perfect for a cozy, warm drink while enjoying the outdoor ambience. And the best part? It's compact and portable, meaning they can bring their culinary skills to any outdoor setting, be it a camping trip, a beach day, or a cozy backyard dinner. Plus, it's easy to disassemble, making cleaning a breeze. This Valentine's Day, fuel their love for outdoor cooking with this all-in-one grill, a gift that combines practicality with passion. Give your loved one these stylish woven necklaces for AirPods this Valentine's Day. Not only do they transform AirPods into a fashionable accessory, but their patented magnetic lock also keeps the AirPods secure and handy. Available in daisy yellow, panther black, and midnight blue, these necklaces add a chic touch to any outfit, making them the perfect blend of style and practicality for your Valentine. This Valentine's Day, transcend the boundaries of time and space with a gift that brings the world closer. Introducing a masterpiece of design and functionality, the World Clock by Masafumi Ishikawa Design, a celebrated Lexus Design Award recipient. Crafted with love in Japan, this 12-sided marvel represents major time zones from London to Sydney, Paris to Tokyo, embracing every corner of the globe. Each side is a gateway to a cherished city, making it a breeze to stay connected with loved ones, no matter where they are. Available in elegant black and white, its minimalist design and unique tactile experience elevate any space, making it not just a clock, but a piece of art. Its simple, yet clever operation removes the complexities of time, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, the moments we share. This Valentine's Day, gift more than just an object. Gift an experience, gift a connection, gift a moment that says, I'm thinking of you, across time and space. With its compact size, this world clock is a perfect addition to any desk or shelf, a constant reminder of your love and thoughtfulness. Make this Valentine's Day unforgettable with a gift that defies distance, a symbol of love that knows no boundaries. The world clock, where every second is a celebration of connection and timeless love. Available now. Bring the world closer this Valentine's Day. This Valentine's Day, imagine a gift that brings you closer, turning every meal into an intimate experience. Introducing GU, the revolutionary cookware that transforms cooking into an act of love. With GU, say goodbye to the clutter of pots, pans, and plates. Its innovative design lets you savor the warmth of your dish straight from the pan, ensuring every bite is as fresh and flavorful as it gets. Crafted from 6mm thick mill-scale steel and adorned with a detachable wooden handle, GEU is not just cookware. It's a statement of elegance and simplicity. Made in Japan, It's designed for those who appreciate the art of cooking and the joy of sharing. Available in 3 sizes, GU is perfect for any dish you desire, making it the ideal Valentine's Day gift for the gourmet enthusiast in your life. Its stick-resistant surface promises a cooking experience as smooth as your love. This Valentine's Day, give the gift of togetherness. With GIU, every meal is an opportunity to connect, to create, and to love. Make memories that last, one dish at a time. GIA, where cooking meets love. Discover the culinary heaven this Valentine's Day. This Valentine's Day, illuminate the heart of your loved one with a gift that echoes the serene beauty of a starlit night. Introducing a modern masterpiece inspired by the timeless elegance of Japan's iconic Chuchin lanterns. Crafted with care, this exquisite candle holder brings the tranquil spirit of Japanese festivals and traditional bars right into your home. Its minimalist design not only adds a touch of Japan to any interior, but also creates an ambience of peaceful contemplation. Watch in awe as the candle within softly melts, casting a mesmerizing dance of light through its unique, undulating surface, each flicker a gentle reminder of the quiet moments shared and the profound bonds formed. Handmade by skilled craftsmen in Kurashiki, Japan, these candles are a testament to tradition and quality. Infused with patented technology, the outer wax retains its form, ensuring a lasting beauty that mirrors the enduring nature of your love. This Valentine's Day, gift more than just an object. Offer a symbol of your affection, a beacon of calm in the rush of life. Let this modern rendition of the Chuchin lantern be a reminder of your warm, glowing love night after night. Bring a gentle light to your room and to the heart of your loved one with this exquisite lantern candle holder, a perfect blend of tradition, craftsmanship, and minimalist design, making it the ideal Valentine's Day gift.